Los Terrenas, Dominican Republic, featuring miles of Punta Poppy Beach and the Malibu lifestyle. It's a residence for the most discerning owner. Enter a garden with vibrant, colorful flowers and hummingbirds. Into your main living area, featuring cozy, small seating areas, complete with an indoor-outdoor pool looking to the sky above. It has a separate eating area to accommodate up to 6 people, and around the pool furniture for those daily chats. The pool is open to the sky above. The large kitchen has a concrete surfaces, stainless steel appliances, comfortably seating up to 8 of your family and friends. Malibu, 1 block from shopping, restaurants, and amazing beach. Tropical flowers are everywhere. On the 2nd floor contains 2 bedrooms with private terraces and ensuite baths, double sinks. Both bedrooms with hardwood floors present an amazing view of the jungle, palm trees outside your custom wood window and doors. Quality surrounds you everywhere, even up into the 3rd floor, which features its own penthouse. Perfect for a bedroom, office, with views of the nearby ocean and its own private bath. 2 patios, 1 covered for afternoon libations. Malibu presents a unique living experience with the attention to detail of demanding, discriminating buyers. This very private, gated community will have up to 20 future residences and is the pinnacle of exclusivity, private, and quiet. Malibu, lifestyle living for you.